Hello guys, Gamer here, and welcome to a new series I'm going to be doing. This is going to be Black Ops, Call of Duty Black Ops Zombie Solo.
We should go find the power box.
The last episode I was going to upload.
A drink that requires
start recording,
but you are a pirate.
I was going to start recording, but I'm just trying to get as much experience as I can in zombies. And also, I'm going to invite hopefully they invite me to a match, and we're going to be doing around 40 or as high as we can get.
You had an unhappy ending.
Because my internet today is just being a big piss. Well, not my internet. The internet I have is... Give me a second. I knifed him twice.
Continue on this stream.
Is that really a one shot?
I shall continue.
1, 2, 3, knife. Zombie, zombie. Come on, zombie. Come on, zombie. Come on, ya.
I will steal what honor they have left.
Woo. Wait a second, that didn't do what I wanted to do. Woo. Such a slide. Knife.
This weapon will be useless without bullets. Vengeance waits for no ammunition.
Knife. Knife ammo? Nope. Come on, give me a drop, zombie. Nope, no drop yet. What?
You cannot survive
No
this.
drop. Oh, come on, zombies. Nope. Still no drop. But watch this. I'll get a drop with the last guy. See if I get this guy. Please, come on, come on. Oh my God! Did that? Oh yeah. Did you see that? Did you see that? Did you see that? Looks like we're going over here. Nope. Looks like we're going over here.
My cursed beast!
Come on, come on, come on. Boom, boom, boom. Free shot. Three shots and they're dead. Let's see. So 2 shots, 1 knife. DD. 1, 2, knife. Seriously? 1, 2, knife. Okay, I'm not gonna do 1, 2 knife anymore. Points, baby.
House of the virtual gives great gifts.
Sorry about that, guys. Interruptions.
Not on this day, tormented soul.
Sorry about that. Someone bringing me my phone.
Die, foul creature.
Come on, don't run out. Don't run out. Double points. Double points. Double points. Yeah. God dang it. Double points. You son. You sissy. You're killing me. Let's go. Here. Zombie. Zombie, don't even think about it. Don't even think. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, hello zombie. Come over here. Sit down. Down. Boom. Mr. Zombie. Mr. Zombie. Mr. Zombie.
I will use my bare hands.
You are floating. I won't get a headshot.
You kill me?
Headshot.
No, I kill you.
Headshot. Wait a second, I won't get this. Headshot. Nope, didn't get it. Oh, wait, not a big enough one. Headshot. Boom. Get out of here, sucker. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Zombie. Hopefully I don't Hey, what the hell?
Murak, look
He had no arm, and he could still get me, really? Really? How
the
realistic
weapon
is
is
this?
low on honor. You bring me
no.
great
That's how we-
honor.
Isn't that just my luck, or what?
Tide tips in our favor.
No color? And I know already. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I ain't going down this early. Come on, zombies. I get points, baby. The pistol is better for points. There's gonna be a zombie behind me. Any zombies? Okay, they're coming. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Got the kill.
That creature is possessed.
Hello, people. People, crawler. Boom. Boom. Boom.
I will soon need
Nice.
ammunition.
5 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, baby.
I'm still better off than with the Arasaka.
That is right. I won't out there. I'm going to get out there later. Negatory. Don't even think about it. I will headshot you in the face. Well, that basically. God, hiccup.
True warrior needs no
Give me a second. I won't check if not. Yep, it's a fool.
weapon.
That's probably annoying. Boom, 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 boom. Look up, look down, turn around, baby. Come on. Wait, I won't headshot. Oh, come on, Millie. Boom, boom, headshot. Headshot.
I have no ammo. I have no honor.
This round, I'm going to go through there. Maybe I'm not. Mystery box? Mystery box? No.
Fetch me their
Let's
soul.
try this.
I
like
will
this
show
thing.
them the path.
It gets points, baby.
You are vanquished.
It gets points and puts dogs down. Kinda easy. But the clip size is too small for dogs. Get out of here, sucker. I'm a sucker! Baby! Dot. Why? Dot. Oh, there it is. Max. I should have waited, but for one, is that like a red dot at the end?
The
No.
spirits come
I
to
thought this
aid
had like a
us.
red dot sight, but it's just like the little thing. Is it a zombie? No, no. No zombies? Where are they? Come on. There's zombies. Zombie. Yeah. Zombie. Boom. There's a zombie. Oh, I opened the door. I forgot about that. Sorry.
I have finished. None shall remain. I am possessed by the power of the Emperor.
Boost. Oh crap.
Send you to your ancestors.
No! God dang it! Ah, forgot I don't have jug. Ah, that's the one problem I have. I keep forgetting you go down easily.
These fall from trees.
No. God damn it. Don't have it. Don't have it no more. This is fully reloaded. Come on. Come on, zombags. Come on, go, go, run, 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 run. This round, I'm gonna get Joe. Damn it, I didn't want to have to use a quick revive already. That is crap.
A drink that requires a mature parent.
Mature. Come on. What the? Oh, okay. MP40 time.
Return to darkness.
It's definitely MP40 time.
True warrior needs no weapon.
MP40.
I will fire honor at them mightily.
Box? No. God dang it. Hopefully the box isn't out in the alley. Oh, hey, zombie. Hello. Oh, nope. No, don't want that yet.
Give him a hand.
Don't want the nuke yet. Maybe I should have got that nuke. Oh, that's why. I was wondering why this MD40 wasn't putting the zombies down much. It has to be in a lowish
I
round.
shall continue. My honor is bigger than yours.
That nuke still at no, it's gone. I hate that time move. Any zombies? Usually zombies spawn there.
There is no victory, only
Oh,
death.
Really? Okay. Buy some ammo. I could have used the M14. What? Oh, box. God damn. Why do I keep forgetting to do stuff? Box, please be in here. No, son of. Oh, wait a second. It could be like right there. Ah, oh, seriously, where is it? Oh, it's in the room above the alley. Really? Oh wait.
No evil is afoot.
I really wanted that box. But it's okay, I just have to get this over here. Or pack this. No,
Now,
this.
they
I like
die.
M16. Jog! That's what I'm forgetting to get. Idiot. Go. Boost.
You're right.
Double points, I want the double points. Oh, I just missed it. That was a bad idea.
You rat pocket. I have finished long
God damn it, I
survey.
always want double points. This is a bad idea to come in here. Run. Double points, get it. No, double points is gone. God damn it, what a waste. Boom. That was a fail.
You explode with honor.
Oh, damn.
You kill me? No.
Whoa, I
kill
forgot to
you.
explode. God dang it, I hate those guys. Where are they? I guess they're zombies. Zombies!
You're purified.
As long as they don't come from there, I'm fine. No, and you know what? I'm gonna get it. That's why I jumped back.
Stake that sticks out. It's hard now.
Oh no! God dang it! 3 times, really? I hate those things. I'm staying way over here. Is that the end of the round? No, there's a crawler somewhere. Somewhere there is a crawler. Are you the last guy?
I will rid the earth of this plague.
Nope. I'm gonna get mule kick. Oh, what? Mule kick? Oh, mule kick doesn't exist in solo. God dang it. I'm an idiot. Right, no, do you know what I want to do? I want to try and get the box. No, I want to open the door for the box and hopefully Get a teddy bear so it moves, because that is a bad position for the box. If it is where I think it is. Is it in here? Yes, it is. God dang it. Should I use it once, see what I get? Ain't worth it. I need points. 85, 60. Oh, God. I'm low on ammo on this, so, but I don't want to waste it all, so I'm 85 to over 100 and boom. So now I just have to go back and look for the crawler. Hello? Hello, Mr. Crawler. Mr. Crawler, 2 crawlers? Oh! Headshot! Slide down the stair.
Their strike was weak.
Reload. Switch. Let's go. I thought Mule Kick was on solo. It appear to be mistaken. Ooh. Oh, that's what I want to do. I love doing this. Yeah, this is what I do when there's like 100 zombies behind me and I'm just trolling. Woo. I know exactly where I land all the time. Except from when I spin this way. I land backwards. You see why I done that? You see that? That was random. Hello? Zombie? Oh, there you are. Oh wait, I just done a bad thing. Zombies are gonna spawn down there. Ah, God. Go away, go. I hate those little things. Oh, we're still doing.
Happy ending.
I hate those exploding guys. Get out of my life. Come on. Get out of here. Run, 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 run.
I burst in peace. Where is my ammunition? Engines wait for no ammunition. You rat pocket.
Oh, I forgot the clip wasn't as big. I won't get that.
Nice timing.
I suppose I shouldn't have got it, but I'm low on ammo. That's why I got it. Please make ammo. It's dogs. God dang it. Oh wait, no, dogs. Yes, damn it. Bitch. No ammo. Oh, that ain't enough to take down the whole dog, is it? I hope it is. Don't. I hate when they spawn there because they can get me. I don't know if that's. Die. Die. Come on, have enough bullets to last me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bullets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Should looking for more ammunition.
Damn it. Ah, I hope this was
I
the last
have
one.
no ammo. I have no honor.
Come on, come on. Please be last dog. Please be last dog. Stop attacking me. Yes, it was. Thank you. Woo!
Oh, blessings
Let's try
come
that
from
again.
above.
I usually land here. Let's try it. Woo! Nope. What's going on here? Oh, I'm jumping. That's why. You have to run, jump, twist, twist, twist. Oh, missed it. Jump. Woo. What am I doing? Is this linked? No. I'm gonna hit the mystery box at the end of this round. Right now, I need more zombies. Come on, zombies. I know I am. Keep running past them. Come on. Come on, Mr. Zombies. Come on. Right here. Right here. I'm going to tease you. I'm going to sing. Oh, hello. Hello. Is your name like Ian? Ian or something? Yeah, bro. You hear me? Bro, why did I get a boost when I jumped? It like boosted me. That was weird. I want to find out what that was.
Give him a hand.
Random points.
I have finished long ceremony.
Let's go. Oh. Yes, I can kill those little things faster. I hate those. Get out
You
of
are
my
all destroyed.
life. Get out of here. Oh, no. That was bad. No. This should free bullets at one time. That's why I'm going to use MP40. Saves ammo. Boom. And God. Give it time. No. Oh, God. It's like instant kill was still on. Now I'll go back to this weapon. Are these the two last guys? Is this the last guy? Is this the last guy? No. Now is it the last guy? Nothing else is spawning, so I guess it is. Let's start off. Let's get him to come over here, and then we'll just run, hit mystery box. Go. I hope to get a good gun. I could just buy ammo, which is cheaper, and this is a good point gun, but I want to see if I get ray gun. I'll do it twice, see what gun I get. Give me a good gun.
The bullets shall rain upon the demon spawn.
One more time, because this uses a little bit too much ammo for my liking. Hey.
The Emperor will be amused.
MP40 and spare. Yeah, that'll do.